Have you ever wondered when those crucial tax documents will arrive in your mailbox, signaling the start of tax season? It is a common question, and knowing the answer can help you plan your filing smoothly. Getting your paperwork in order is truly the first step to a stress-free tax experience each year. The good news is that there is a very clear deadline for this. Employers are required by the Internal Revenue Service to send out employee wage and tax statements, commonly known as W-2 forms, by January 31st of each year. This means you should expect to receive your wage and tax statement, which reports your annual wages and the amount of taxes withheld from your paycheck, right around the end of January. This specific deadline is not just a suggestion. It is a federal requirement set by the Internal Revenue Service. This regulation ensures that all employees have ample time to prepare and file their tax returns before the typical April 15th deadline. For employers, missing this January 31st cutoff can lead to penalties, so they are generally very diligent about meeting it. The W-2 form is foundational because it provides a snapshot of your annual earnings and the taxes you have already paid throughout the year. This information is absolutely essential for accurately completing your federal and state income tax returns. Many employers now also offer electronic delivery of W-2 forms, which can sometimes mean you get your information even sooner, though they still must adhere to the January 31st mailing deadline for physical copies unless you explicitly consent to electronic only. If January 31st passes and your W-2 form has not arrived, do not panic. Your first step should always be to contact your employer directly. Speak with their payroll or human resources department to confirm your mailing address and inquire about the status of your form. If you have not received your W-2 form by the middle of February and you have already contacted your employer without success, then it is time to reach out to the Internal Revenue Service for assistance. The IRS can help by contacting your employer on your behalf and providing you with further guidance. In some situations, you might even need to file your tax return using an estimated income if the deadline approaches and you still do not have your W-2 form. The Wage and Tax Statement, or W-2 form, is much more than just a summary of your earnings. It is a critical document that can unlock valuable tax benefits and ensure your financial health. For instance, the information on your W-2 form is vital for claiming certain tax credits, such as the Earned Income Tax Credit, which can provide significant refunds for eligible low to moderate income individuals and families. It also helps the Internal Revenue Service verify your reported income, preventing potential discrepancies that could lead to questions or audits later on. Understanding the details on your wage and tax statement, like your wages, federal tax withheld, and state tax withheld, empowers you to double-check your employer's calculations and ensure everything is accurate before you file. So, keeping an eye out for your W-2 from around late January is a smart move for everyone. Its timely arrival allows you to gather all your necessary documents efficiently, accurately report your income, and confidently claim any eligible tax credits or deductions. Being proactive about receiving and reviewing this key document sets you up for a smooth and worry-free tax filing season, helping you avoid last-minute stress and potential issues with the Internal Revenue Service.